Okay, take two. Looks like I was doing some video footage and I didn't even know that the camera wasn't recording. It was just doing the exposure thingy. So, okay, we'll have to do it again. So today, I would like to welcome you to another unboxing or eating time because I was hungry. I'm hungry. So I went downstairs, found some food from the refrigerator. This one is from Hamburg camembert cheese, and it's soft white mold cheese. So it looks yummy from the picture alone. This is 22. It is 125 grams. So I don't know how much is that in ounces, especially for American audiences. And then the other one I found was cheese, small bottle. I cannot see, I cannot read, so just remember it's tiny. And it's Grace and Deli. Grace and Deli. And it comes with this cute little honey dipper, so you dip it in honey, swirl it around and put it wherever you want. So maybe on the cheese or in this sausage. It's called Euro Swiss by Pure Boar, or I don't know how to pronounce it, Schublig. So Food Enterprise. It's made in Cavite, Philippines, so it's a local product. And sausage. So we're gonna be tasting some food for my snacks today. So as you can see, I'm in the room. So just imagine this, like I was camping outside, but I'm indoors now because I'm in the Philippines. So I'm gonna go downstairs, get a knife because I forgot to bring a knife and some fork or a fork. So I'll be right back and wait for me. We're gonna be eating some snacks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back with my knife and fork. So first, I would like to try the cheese. So we just open it from behind here. This cheese, I cannot read. I'm trying to see. It looks like it's Singapore. So Singapore cheese. You just open it up and it comes in a plastic container, the pop top, plastic top. So you just open it up. Okay, and then the cheese itself is wrapped in still another plastic container, and then I can just pop it out. So this is my first time to do this. I usually eat this kind of cheese. Okay, looks nice. So let's see how you open this. Okay, so it's easy to open it. Maybe after you open it, you put it back there in the container if you're not gonna eat the whole thing. So it's soft. Remember, this is not sponsored, so I just found this downstairs. Okay, with a knife, slice it like a wedge. So I don't know. I got the wedge out. A sliced cheese. I don't know if I can see it. It's tiny cheese. I don't know if you can eat the whole thing or just the inside. So the covering, I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. Mild flavor. You probably need some cheese. I don't know if you need crackers, but right now it's very mild. It's like feels like mozzarella, but it's not. I'm just trying to eat the inside. I don't know if you can eat the outside. Mild flavor. So I like what we got used to eating, the yellow cheese. either American cheese or the I forgot the name of the other one, but anyway, then open now the meat and see. So I'm not cooking it, I'm gonna eat it directly because I don't know if we're supposed to eat this directly. So if you know if I'm doing this wrong, please let me know because I'm just gonna dive into it. Sticking a knife, sausage out. It smells like it's sausage flavor. Just gonna slice a little bit. I have a fork but I'm not using it, so it's got marbling because of the pork fat, so it's made of beef and pork fat. So okay, I'm gonna try. But the outside casing is tough, so I'm just gonna eat the inside. It's a mild sausage flavor. I'm gonna make another slice and gonna use the honey this time. Okay. So this time a bigger piece because I'm not gonna eat that casing because it seems like it's tough. So this time we're gonna open the honey. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Maybe it's got some plastic. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove the plastic seal. Seal, but it's open. So there's a seal. It's opening. And you open it. So since it's not cold, so the honey is flowing. We're gonna use this to put on that one. So just like in one of those commercial cereal boxes, remember honey nut or something. So you put it in, you dip it, and then you get the honey and you drizzle it. So you drizzle the honey on it, and then of course you need to eat. And maybe it tastes better. Now I want to try the cheese with the honey. Make a small wedge, and you know me, I'm not gonna eat the skin, so dip the honey in, put some cheese on top, put it on top so the honey is on top of the cheese. Try not to eat the outside cheese, but it's good. But I think sausage with the honey is better than the honey with the sausage. With the honey with the cheese. So overall, it's good find. First I was skeptical that I need to cook this sausage first. That seems like you can eat it. So, fun or not, hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did, because I ate it, and I'm gonna eat some more of this later, but I'm gonna share it with people downstairs. So thank you for watching, hope to see you soon, and hope you like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you, bye.